sa bawat tumaya. Sa dami nun. Kakayanin ba yun, Mr. Ang? So, ganun kakomplikado po ito ngayon. Sir, kaya hindi ko namin kayo pinaalis muna.
Your Honor, kasi pagdating sa mga ganyan, at least, ang ano kasi ngayon, sa problema nga natin, since bago kasi itong technology to, wala pang batas. Kaya nga nung nagpasa ang Congress, nasa Senate na, nasa inyo na po, yun ang nag-usap tayo nun, na gumawa sila na ng batas na kaya lang hindi niyo pa yata na-aprobahan, parang mas malinaw na doon, kumbaga sa ano, parang 5% of the GGR nga lang yun. So dapat himayin kasi pagka ganito may bagong laro na to, hindi talaga ma-apply yung dating sabong. So lumalabas is either amendment or dapat gumawa ng panibagong batas talaga. Yun lang ang pwedeng puntahan nito, Your Honor.
Tama po, Mr. Ang. Kaya ngayon, ang gusto kong bigyan ng diin ay itong trabaho ng BIR. Sa tinagal-tagal na itong pag-uusap na ito, it has been, this is now, Mr. Chairman, this is now our third hearing, and Isabong has been in operation for the last 1.5 years. How come the BIR has not been proactive enough to issue the necessary circulars relative to, one, the rate of tax on passive income. This is passive income. Tama po ba?
Sir, you're referring to what po?
I'm referring to the National Internal Revenue Code.
Hindi po. Ano pong income?
Itong sa Isabong.
Ano po, subject po. Naglabas po kami ng Revenue Memorandum Circular.
That?
I-explain ko po.
Sagutin mo muna ako.
Sorry.
Yes. Your excuse, Mr. Ang.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Atong, for bearing with us. Third hearing nito. Sana kung magkakaroon pa ng fourth, andito ka pa rin, ha? Anyway, thank you very much.
Thank you. BIR, I would like to refer you to Section 24, the National Internal Revenue Code. I would like to refer you likewise to the rate of tax on certain passive income and compare it with the rates you gave to sweepstakes and lotto prices, casino earnings, and even Pogo. Pogo has 20% final withholding tax. So, tuloy mo yung sinabi mo, you issued a circular?
Yes, sir. Last March 11, 2022, we came out...
Last week lang po yun.
Halos po, opo.
Ayun.
We came out with a Revenue Memorandum Circular 25-2022.
Can you provide the committee a copy?
Yes, sir. We can provide, sir.
So the contents of which?
Sir, basically, sir, kinlarify namin ang taxation ng mga Isabong operators. Basically, sir, they have to pay a 5% franchise tax dun sa income nila from the Plazada or the center bets. Tapos pa, they have to pay income tax and VAT doon po sa income nila or the gross bets doon po sa tayaan sa internet or online betting. Subject din po to sa final withholding tax.
I think I read something about that. So you are now referring to corporate income tax?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about the winnings? The winnings of the individual bettors? Kaya yun yung sinabi ko kanina na passive income tax. Well, bakit yung nanalo sa sweepstakes, binabawasan ng buwis? Yung nanalo sa loto, binabawasan ng buwis. Yung nanalo sa Isabong, walang buwis.
Sir, dapat po merong buwis.
O bakit hindi nakagawa ng circular ang BIR? Nag-iintay kayo ng batas?
Meron na po. Nandun po sa RMC 25-22.
Wala. Ano ang tax ng winnings?
Ayun po. Nakasite po kasi dyan yung... Sandali pa. Hindi po kasi siya naka-specify, but yung meron po general statement na all withholding taxes are applicable. So yun po yung sinasabi kong final withholding taxes na 20%.
Again, the withholding tax that you are referring to can be attributed to the corporation, the online sabong operator, not the wager, the better.
Sir, can I quote po the
Sige, sige.
circular? Dito po sa numeral number 3, policies and guidelines, number 4, withhold the required creditable expanded withholding tax, final tax on compensation of employees, and other withholding taxes if applicable. They are obliged to remit the same to the BIR at the times or times required and issue to the concerned payees the necessary certificate of tax withheld.
I still don't get that, Mr. D. Pagdating po sa horse racing, meron po tayong tinatawag na BIR Form 1600WP. This is a remittance return on percentage tax on winnings and prizes. Pagdating po sa isabong, meron po ba tayong form?
Wala pa po.
Wala pa. So, aminin natin, Mr. D, for the last 1.5 years, how much was lost by the government for failure to collect, withhold the amount applicable as taxes on winnings? That's number one. Number two, who should be the withholding agent? Kaya nga sinasabi ko na ngayon, dapat si GCash at si Paymaya. Sabi nyo, hindi. Sino mag-withhold? Si Mr. Atong Ang. Sumakit na yung tiyan kanina nung tinanong ko, umalis na. So, sinong withholding agent natin dito? Sagutin mo kung magkano na nawala sa pamahal. Bilyon. Kasi ang sinabi ni Mr. Ang, last hearing, Mr. Chairman, 1 billion ang kinikita. Magkano na ang nawala? Ilang kilometrong parsada na napagawa? Yeah.
Dapat po mag-withhold is Lucky 8 or yung Pitmaster.
But they are not aware of that role.
Yes.
Sabi nga, ang alam lang niya, yung 12,500 na binibigay sa PAGCOR, that's a regulatory fee. They're not aware of their role as a withholding agent. Diba?
Yes, sir.
So, paano kayo nang gagawin natin? Do we need to pass a new law?
For the withholding, sir, no more.
No more.
Yes, sir.
What about GCash and Paymaya? Yung kinikita nila. Aside from the corporate tax, for every transaction, may withholding tax ba yun?
Wala po.
Wala.
Wala po.
So, we are now in a state of disarray. Confused, further confused, letting go of a big amount that should have gone to the coffers of the government. Nagamit sana yung pang-ayuda na hinihingi ng mga driver, ng mga magsasaka, at ng mga farmers, ng mga fisher folks natin ngayon. So, can you provide, Mr. BIR, tell your boss, Brad ko rin yun, si Billy Dulay, I think you should come up with something that would be credible enough to support the message of the President na dapat madagdagan yung income. Kasi ang tingin lang ngayon ay doon sa kinukubra ng PAGCOR. Nakalimutan yung pinakamalaking bahagi, yung Bureau of Internal Revenue. Tama po ba, Mr. D? Attorney D?
Yes, sir. Pero meron na po kaming nakokolekta sa mga e-sabong operators.
May makokolekta kayo sa
Meron na po. Meron
sa
po.
5% franchise tax. Pero doon sa winnings ng mga nananalong magsasabong. Diba? May nakolekta na kayo. Sa palagay ko, kahit piso, wala.
Wala pa po.
Wala. For the last 1.5 years, Mr. Chairman, walang nakolekta ang BIR. So we are in a quandary here. Ang daming sinasabi ng Bangko Sentral, ito, know your customer, si PAGCOR, ganun din. Sinasabi pa si Madam Andrea nung huling hearing na kinokowa daw sila, kailangan nilang ma-meet yung ganong amount. ito yung napakalaking nawawala sa atin, kaban ng bayan, di ba? Hindi natin alam na nga kung paano ang gagawin ngayon. So what do you propose that that you promulgate a new rule circular before April 15 so that some gamblers of Ila and Sabong can have a deduction, or we wait for the next administration?
Pwede po kami maglabas ng another circular to clarify yung issue on final withholding. But currently po, we could, in fact po, we could investigate the companies and we could assess them for the final withholding tax.
So ibig nyo sabihin, yung 1.5 years, balak nyo sigilin?
Pwede po, kasi po, kailangan lang po ma-investigate. In fact po, gumawa na po kami ng mga hakbang. So in fact po, the payment channels could validate this. Sumulat na po kami sa kanila at humihingi na po kami ng datos kung magkano yung mga dumadaan po sa kanila na bayad.
Alam mo, Senator Tolentino, yung pagkagawin ninyo yan, siguradong sisigaw itong mga isabong operators na unfair yung ginagawa ninyo dahil hindi na-withhold yung winnings eh. Paano pa kolektahin yun sa mga nanalo? Nabigay na nila. Kung i-implement niyo yan ngayon. Na-release na nila yung winnings. Hindi man na kunan ng withholding. Hindi na withheld. So, I don't think so na you can implement that circular fairly.
Ano po, under the law, under the tax code, ang liability po for this is the withholding, yung po mga isabang operator. So, talaga pong sila ang hahabulin.
Ang lumalabas ngayon, pag ginawa nyo yan, lalo nyong illegalize na yung sinasabi kong questionable pa ngayon. Naging legal lang para sa isabong dahil may opinion si DOJ, si Solicitor General, na tinanggap ni PAGCOR, pinasa ni PAGCOR kay Bangko Sentral, tinanggap naging sandalan ni Paymaya at GCash para magkaroon ng app, maningil. So, wouldn't that mean that we are legalizing via the back door an operation which has still to be given imprimatur by the Congress of the Philippines? The power to tax. Sir, nag-aaral ka ng taxation, the power to tax is given to Congress. Diba?
Yes, sir.
So, kung magpapataw ng buwis, Kongreso, hindi magkano yung bibigay niyo retroactive withholding tax? 20%?
20% po.
Kung sabihin ng Kongreso, because of the advanced technology, gawin 22% or 25%. Kasi iba-iba, horse track racing, kabayo, 10%. Oh, bakit ito 20%? Magkano sa sweepstakes ang withholding?
Sandali lang po.
Sa horse racing, 10%. And this is Republic Act number 8446. Iba pa itong mga trifecta. Gagaling tayo nito, Mr. Chairman, sa mga tayaan. Ang sunod na itatanong ko sa BIR, paano kayo mangungulekta ng winnings naman sa mga OFWs?
Sir, we will follow the same 20% on the
20%.
winning.
Although it is not provided for under the law.
No specific, sir.
No
But,
specific. So you will also rely on the opinion of the Department of Justice.
hindi lang po, yung sa tax code provision po on winnings. Yun po yung susundin, pagbabasihan natin.
So you now realize what you've done, DOJ? Nanganak tong problema. Pati yung power to tax na punta na sa inyo, which is a power of Congress. So, Mr. Chairman, siguro after this, I think this will not be finished today. We will have a very extensive study. We have a tax. There is a tax body here in the Senate, for the 19th Congress, that would